You finalize a document. You save it as a PDF, print it, or update fields, and suddenly you see error, reference source not found. Even worse are cross-references that seem correct but actually lead nowhere or are outdated. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn why this happens, discover 3 quick ways to fix it, and get tips on preventing problems in lengthy documents. This issue typically occurs when items you've referenced are deleted. Cross-references function as links to headings, figures, tables, or numbered elements using hidden bookmarks. Sometimes these references don't refresh automatically after changes. To avoid issues, always use proper captions for tables and figures, since cross-references rely on them. Word uses hidden bookmarks to manage these links. Each reference places a bookmark around the item. If a cross-reference stops working, it's usually because its bookmark was affected. Hidden bookmarks can break easily. For example, adding content or pressing Enter at the start of a bookmarked paragraph can cause the bookmark to expand unexpectedly. To prevent this, always insert new content at the end of a paragraph, not at the beginning of the next one. In Word, the first step is updating all fields. Select All with Ctrl+A, then press F9 to force an update of all cross-references. If bookmarks are deleted or corrupted, cross-references will break. Look for error messages like reference not found or incorrect numbering, indicating broken references. If the source is deleted, you can delete the reference as well. Select the error messages and delete the references. You now need to open the Find dialog and choose to find Error. Delete the references or identify what it should point to. Press Alt+F9 to show the underlying field code, which contains the hidden bookmark. You can see the list of bookmarks in the Bookmarks dialog. Recreate the bookmark or caption. Remember to use automated tools like Word's built-in caption tool or bookmark insertion. Never manually write the captions. Sometimes Word even needs a restart to properly update fields. Avoid adding text directly at the beginning of a referenced item, which can break the bookmark. But this still doesn't detect references that point to the wrong target or detect obsolete cross-references. And in long regulatory or technical documents, that's painful. If you work on long technical documents, we'll show a faster scan and fix workflow next. With OnStyle, you don't manually hunt for issues. Go to the OnStyle tab, Validation, then Execute Inspection Group. OnStyle scans the entire document structure in seconds. OnStyle immediately lists cross-references with no valid target. It finds these even before you update fields, so even before you see the error message in Word. This means no more playing around with Advanced Find to see if the document has issues. OnStyle also finds obsolete cross-references that are not up to date. To fix them, run the Update Fields function of OnStyle. It also finds missing captions on tables or figures. In OnStyle, there are many more checks and fixes related to cross-references, internal links, hyperlinks, and more. Instead of manually editing field codes, you can fix obsolete cross-references by updating the reference field. You don't need to update the whole document, just the outdated reference field. With OnStyle, you can also remove broken references safely. Either remove the cross-reference but keep the display text, or remove both. Last but not least, you can instantly insert captions to tables or figures that do not have one. Save time while authoring documents with OnStyle's 140 auto checks and fixes. Visit OnStyle's website and try it for free now.